Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you how to make the key fob for the winter workshop. So first, your kit has 3 strands of t-shirt yarn. You're going to line up your t-shirt yarn by the ends and feed them through the split ring. You're going to bring the split ring to the middle of the strands and tape it down to the tip. I'm going to take it this way so that you can see as I work. Then you're going to put your strands into 6 positions. Separate them out is what I mean by that. Okay, so you've got from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to take the strand in position 1 and you're going to go over position 2, under position 3, over position 4, under position 5, and over position 6. And then their strand just lands right there. Pull your strands up tight. So this strand that you just worked with is pulled tight at the top. Then you just start over. You do that all the way down. Take the strand in position 1 on your far left and go over, under, over, under, over, and it will land at the back, and pull it up tight against the split ring through all of the other strands. You can pull these ones down so that it's easier to pull up. Just work its way, and your braid is forming. Take far left and go over, under, over, under, and over, the last one. And pull it up. If you have a moment where you don't know where the strands are supposed to be, just take a minute to separate them all back out again. Far left, over, under, over, under, over, and pull up. Pull the other ones down. And the one that you just worked with up, you can see that braid is forming. Keep going with that all the way to, see there's a tail on the end. This is about 1, 2, 3, 4 inches or so. You can make it shorter or longer, whatever you like. So keep braiding until you have the length of braid that you would like for your key fob. Okay, I have finished the length that I would like this key fob. Got a pretty braid here. And so what I'm going to do is take one piece of masking tape and tape it right up by the braid. This is a little bit too. And this is to secure the braid so that it does not come out while we're working with the tail here, because this tail is then going to be fed through this bead, and you can see it's going to be a little tricky because the bead hole is pretty small compared to these strands. So I'm going to trim up these strands at the end so that they are all even with each other. And I'm going to take another piece of masking tape and very tightly tape these together so I'm making a point that will go through the bead, kind of like the end of a shoelace. And then I'm going to take this and feed it through the bead. Just give it a little twist and push it through while you're twisting. And then if you can grab this end to get it through. See how it's coming through? So it's just twist this and apply as much pressure and push through until it comes all the way through. Pull this up, the strands, to where your masking tape up here is, and you just tear that off. Pull it up to the braid. Now this is pretty much not going to come off. It's pretty dang tight and secure on there, so you can cut this to the desired length that you want for the fringe at the tail. I'm not going to cut this one because this is one of the kits and I want you guys to be able to make it. In the instruction says to tie a knot below the bead, but as you can see on the sample, there's no knot, and I've been running around with this thing and it hasn't come off at all. So you should be okay without a knot if you decide not to put one in. And that is your key fob. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Carrie will be there, and she's an expert at this craft as well. And hope you're having fun. Thanks for coming. Bye.